How are you doing? Happy birthday to you, beta. God bless you. Have good time. खाओ पियो खुश रहो. जिम में जाओ मस्त रहो बेटा. Take care. We love you. We miss you. I hope that next year you will be here in America and we will celebrate your birthday here in America with all the relatives and friends. God bless you, beta. Take care. I love you. We love you, miss. We love you. We miss you a lot.
Happy birthday to you and God bless you. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you, beta. बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. भैया happy birthday to you. चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू, तू मेरी आँखों का राज तू. Happy birthday to you, Bindu. Hey. We love you a lot. We miss you a lot, beta. Happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Hi Bailu, happy birthday. Hope you have a good one. Me and the kids are super excited to hopefully have you join us for your next birthday here. They're looking forward to a big dance party like last year.
Hi Bayas, happy birthday. Hope you have a good day and a lot of good wishes and a big hug to you. અને નેક્સ્ટ યર તું અહીંયા હોય તેવી મારી ઈચ્છા છે તારા બર્થડે પર. તો દેન આઈ વિલ મેક ધ સ્પેશલ રેસિપી લોચેશ્વર ફોર યુ. ઓકે ચલ બાય, હેવ અ ગુડ ડે. સ્ટાર્ટ.
Happy birthday to Mr. Baloo.
કર હવે ડાન્સ.
Here's the crazy dance. Birthday Shakil, I love you. I know.
Hi Bailu Raja, wish you very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. All the best.
Hi Bailu, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and have an amazing life ahead because you deserve it. Though you are younger to me, I learned so much from you and especially your financial advices really helped me. You are the best person and you are the most wonderful person, Bailu. You deserve all the happiness. Live life king size the way you always do. Love you.
Bye.
Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
मारो रोल क्या गयो?
लुशी, मेरे शेर, मेरे चीते, happiest birthday to you. I am just currently missing you so badly because this is the first ever birthday that we are apart, and I just want to let you know that you're the most important person in my life. You are my bestest friend ever, and you complete me. You have my heart. You genuinely have my heart. There's never been a time where I've not thought about you. I always think about you, whatever it is, in good times, bad times. And we have had our plans. We are going to work for it. We have our future set. We have similar mindset. Manifestation is our thing. And I'm just lucky to know you. And I'm lucky to have you in my life. Thanks for being you. And don't you ever change. Keep growing the way you're growing right now. I love your monologues. I love everything that you say. You're just doing great in your life, and I'm super proud of you. Love you. also, just to add on to that, I was just thinking about the endless talks, the endless amount of hours that we have spent together at night during the drives that we hardly have, but whenever we have, it's fucking different. I mean, we talk like maniacs, as in we haven't seen each other for years, and we just keep talking, and it's good, it's great. It's not good, it's great. And that's something that I always wanted. That is something that, you know, the trust we have for each other, the belief we have in each other, that cannot be hampered by anybody, and that's gonna remain the same. And I am lucky to have this with you. So thank you so much for that. Just a reminder, ऐसा एक चीज मैं भूल गई थी बोलना to add to that video. So this is that update. So thank you so much for being you, and I have already said all of that, how good you are. So no more of that. बस ये आज के ही दिन था, इसके बाद नहीं मिलने वाला, इतना ही footage मिलेगा आज. Love you, bye.
Happy 34th birthday, Kaya. Wish you a very successful life and looking forward to more podcasts. Just believe in yourself and follow your gut. Have a wonderful day, brother. Miss you.
Hi Rushiraj. I love a lot of things about our friendship, but one of them being comfort. It's that, like, I can be myself around you without having to think of any consequences. It's that familiarity that we have and the homeliness, you know. And I just miss so much dancing with you in clubs, because it's like I just enjoy seeing you enjoy dancing. So it's I feel like I'm around a bunch of people such amazing and so weird. It's a very good feeling. Like, as I moved away from home, I realized just how much I enjoyed our friendship, and I valued old friends more. So cheers to that. And next time you come to the US, you're coming with Vibhuti, and I want dates reserved for myself. Like, I want to keep you reserved for a couple of days, and we're gonna make a trip, a really good one. So and I can't wait to come home and party with you, because we have so many reasons. We have your birthday, Vibhuti's job, and my engagement. So I'm waiting for that. And yeah, happy birthday, charmer of the group. I wish you lots of love, lots of happiness, good health, and a beautiful, beautiful life.
Hey yo, Lala mate, Wagwan. Get married, mate. What is you, 35 now, innit? Give me a reason to come back home, mate. Get married soon, eh? Happy birthday, darling. I miss you so much here. There's nobody to lift with over here. And there's nobody to come up with faltu daddy jokes to make me laugh when I'm not feeling well, bro. Happy birthday, my guy. May all your dreams come true. You keep hustling the way you are. Keep making money, saving, and if there's something extra, then you know you have my number, you have my GPay in it, mate. And take care. God bless you, bro. See you soon. Bye. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bro. I know, बहुत खराब लगा था, but have an amazing birthday. And एक बात याद रखना, always there for you, bro, in good times and in bad. Take care. Love you.
Yo Shari, it's your birthday. Happy birthday from Rajasthan. Have a great one, Rishi. I love you. Bye.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day, Rushi Raj. Remember, रमाकांत सर के क्लासेस के टाइम पे तू, मैं, करण, तीनों इतना मार खाते थे सर के और सर का, और हम इतना मस्ती करते थे. वो भी क्या दिन थे यार. और उसके बाद आफ्टर क्लासेस कॉलेज के टाइम पे वी यूज्ड टू सिट स्काई में पीछे शांति से बातें करते थे. एक 2 घंटा कब निकल जाता था मालूम नहीं पड़ता था.
कभी तेरी लाइफ के बारे में, मेरी लाइफ के बारे में, आगे क्या करना है, कि अपने गोल्स क्या थे, वो सब कितनी चीज़ें डिस्कस की थी यार। बहुत अच्छा टाइम था। आई रियली मिस दोज टाइम्स एंड अभी वी आर वेरी बिजी इन आवर लाइफ बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू स्पेंड टाइम। आई होप वी मीट सून एंड कोई एक ट्रिप मारेंगे यार बड़ी साथ में। विश यू मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। हैव अ ब्लास्ट ब्रो।